Buffalo mozzarella. This incomparably delicious cheese has become one of the most popular in the world. Its unique elasticity and even melt make it pizza's ultimate partner. But how exactly is this cheese made? Let's step inside a factory and uncover the secrets behind Buffalo mozzarella. Mozzarella is said to originate from Italy, particularly the Campania region, with the earliest traces dating back to the 7th century. When it comes to cheese, the most important ingredient is obviously milk. Mozzarella is made primarily from buffalo milk, which has a higher fat content than regular cow's milk, giving it that signature creamy richness. Collecting buffalo milk is the first and most critical step in making mozzarella. On specialized farms, buffalo are carefully raised on strict diets to ensure top quality milk production and healthy development. The buffalo are milked daily, whether by hand or machine, always maintaining hygiene and animal welfare standards. Fresh buffalo milk is temporarily stored in refrigerated tanks on the farm. Keeping it cold during transport to the factory is absolutely key to preserving quality. Before shipping, quality testing is essential, ensuring the milk's composition and hygiene meet strict standards. This includes testing fat and protein levels, plus screening for any potential contaminants. Once approved, the buffalo milk is transported by refrigerated truck to the factory at a controlled temperature, ensuring the final cheese delivers premium flavor and texture. This step lays the foundation. At the factory, the milk is filtered and clarified to remove impurities. It's then pumped into temperature-controlled tanks, specially designed to keep it in optimal condition. During this process, the transport trucks are also thoroughly cleaned after unloading to meet sanitation standards. All the milk undergoes detailed quality analysis before pasteurization, ensuring every last drop meets the mark. During pasteurization, the milk is heated to high temperatures and rapidly cooled to eliminate harmful bacteria and ensure food safety. This heat treatment aims to destroy pathogens while preserving the milk's unique character, crucial for mozzarella, where the original buffalo milk flavor must shine through. In the next stage, essential ingredients like rennet are added. Rennet is an enzyme that helps milk coagulate, traditionally sourced from young animals' stomachs. At the same time, starter cultures of beneficial bacteria are introduced to the pasteurized milk. These bacteria play a vital role, consuming the milk's sugars, producing lactic acid, and driving the acidification that gives cheese its distinctive taste and structure. Once the cultures and rennet are added, the milk rests. Proteins begin to cluster and gradually solidify, forming curds. When the curds reach the right consistency, workers cut them to release the unsolidified whey, concentrating the protein. As the curds are cut, whey is gradually released, a critical step that removes excess liquid and concentrates the nutrients. Next, the curds are slowly heated, developing mozzarella's signature elasticity. While heating, the cheese master repeatedly stretches and kneads the mass, each motion shaping the delicate texture of the final product. Finally, with skilled hands, the mozzarella is formed into balls, blocks, or other desired shapes. Once the ideal texture is achieved, the cheese is rapidly cooled to lock in its structure. At this point, it already has the defining qualities of true mozzarella. After processing, the whey is drained off and the remaining solids become the delicious cheese we know. The purified whey can also be converted into other dairy products, like whey protein, adding more possibilities for healthy nutrition. Finally, the finished cheese is placed into molds to ensure every piece has a perfect shape. The cheese soaks in brine for 4 to 10 hours to enhance flavor and extend shelf life, absorbing salt for even taste distribution. Once brining is complete, the cheese is placed in a controlled cooling environment to solidify its structure and flavor. The entire process takes 8 to 12 hours. After this intricate series of steps, the mozzarella is vacuum packed and ready for market. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share so more people can learn about this. See you in the next one.